Hello guys! Good morning! Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Hello everyone. Hello sweetheart. Hello there. It's too late. Ayan. So, today we're going to the city. Magko-commute lang kami guys. Magbabus at saka train. Pero ngayon kasi ang traveling from anywhere from the city is free. Is it correct? Are free or is free?
Until the end of January.
Until the end of January. So free yung travel guys. Pero kailangan mo bumili ng, what is it? You need to buy?
No, you have to buy a smart rider card.
You need to buy a smart card. So dadaan muna kami ng Garden City para bumili ng smart card para mabalid yung ating free ride all day. Sabi ng asawa ko yung card daw ay worth of $5. Ayun, so pupunta kami. Malapit kami sa Garden City. Bibili kami ng card, smart card. Para makatravel tayo ng free. Mag-commute lang kami kasi mahirap yung parking sa city. It's very difficult to find a parking in the city. So ayan, magko-commute ang inyong lingkod kasama yung dalawang makulit. Ang init ngayon guys, it's already dito sa loob ng sasakyan ay 35 degree. Sa labas 35 degrees, sobrang init. Pero punta kami ng city ngayon kasi mag-school. Mag-shopping kami for school kasi malapit nang mag-pasukan. Kailangan namin bumili ng mga baunan at saka tubigan ng aking mga anak.
Mommy, is there anything for me to eat?
Do you want biscuit?
No.
Do you want rice with bacon?
Rice with bacon. Yes, I want that.
But I think you can't eat. Can she eat inside the train?
Can she what?
Eat?
Not in the train, no.
We have to get to the city first, baby, before you can eat the rice with bacon. Yes?
You can eat it now.
First, we're gonna ride the train.
No, eating inside the train is
No, first are we
not
going
allowed.
to drive on the train?
Yeah.
Oh, so we have. So we are.
Ayan, nasa Kmart na kami. Nasa Garden City na kami, guys.
Are we allowed to eat in the bus?
Bibili lang kami ng smart card.
Are we allowed to eat in a?
The bus is no good. Ito yung parking ng Garden City. Westfield City. Ayan.
Mommy, it's so dark in here.
It's so dark. That's good. That means it's cool.
Ayan, hanap kami ng parking.
I wanna eat. It's also bright in here.
What time is it? It's only 11 o'clock. How come it's already full?
A lot of these cars are for the staff,
And I'm hungry.
for the employees for sure.
Tomorrow.
Oh dear.
Oh, that's 2 spots here also.
Yeah.
So ayun, may parking. Dito kami magpa-park.
Let me back up a bit. shops. See if we can find shoes for you.
And lunch boxes.
I just wanted.
No black shoes. This has got to be white. Only white.
But then when
She might also need another shoes.
I'll wear my shoes in the sand.
You won't be playing in the sand.
So yun guys, nakabili na kami ng card.
I will be.
At bumili ako nito.
When I'm in pre-primary.
Scratch Lotto.
Junkie. Addict.
Scratch Lotto guys, tatlong taga $1 lang naman. At saka isang $3.
Total waste.
So $6 in total.
Yeah, that's right.
So dalawa na yung in-scratch ko.
Do that 5 times a
Can you
week.
show me if you got mine?
Ayan, dalawa yung in-scratch ko, walang panalo. So
I'm not gonna play with them.
hindi ako nanalo guys. So dalawa pa yung i-scratch ko.
No, just please. No.
Yung asawa ko advance mag-isip. Akala niya magsusugal ako araw-araw.
I'm not gonna play with them. Please stop.
Wag daw akong bibili nito uli.
Please stop.
Ayan, Lotto, scratch. Scratch Lotto guys.
Good.
Wala. Mamaya titingnan ko kung mayroon akong panalo doon sa dalawa. Baka mayroon akong manalo tayo ng $100.
It means stop. It means
So ngayon
stop.
nasa biyahe na kami. Papunta kami sa train station.
Red means
Papuntang
stop.
city.
Red means stop. Red means stop. Daddy means stop. Daddy, a little bit faster. Please stop.
A little bit faster.
Look, it's a transporter truck.
Wow, look at the truck. Ang galaki.
Let me stop. Because does that truck take the cars to the
Sterling Highway North K.
Does it?
Key. North K. Ano pa? Ang hirap i-pronounce guys.
Takes them off the tray of the boats. It takes them to the motor car sales place.
Ayun, ang daming mga malalaking barko doon. Mga cranes, container vans, ang dami. Ayan. Malalaking trucks. Dito dumadaan yung malalaking trucks guys kasi ano to eh, tagusan sa mga port.
Mommy, I really wish I was a mermaid.
Oh.
And Mommy, when Miss Blair was a kid, she was a mermaid for real life.
Wow.
Yes, for real life.
That's very nice.
Yeah, and Dad doesn't believe that.
Why?
I don't know why. Because mermaids don't exist anymore.
I see. They do. We don't know.
Yeah, they do exist. But Dad
They
doesn't
exist
believe
in
that.
North Atlantica.
Because Dad thinks they don't exist anymore. For real life.
Did you press? Press again. Move, move. Whew, that was close. Where's the train station? Ay! Bibilis ng sasakyan. Ano ba yan? Yan, nandito na tayo sa train station. North Fremantle train station. No trains. Ayan yung train track. Look at the crane. It's so big crane. What's that, sweetheart? Is that you need to tap the card?
Yeah. Get your card.
Oh, I see. That's my card. Hindi ko makita guys, so nandito na yung ating card. Tap the card daw. Okay, nakalagay. Thank you.
Every time when you get on, and when you get on this one.
Okay. Wala, hindi ko makita kung
Where do we
baka.
stop? And where do we stop at the train place? In the Chevy?
Yes.
Do we stop in the Chevy place?
Platform 1 to Perth. Platform 2 to Fremantle. Ayan. Oh, very hot. What do you want?
I want my phone. I want my phone back.
Look at the big crane. Wow, that is very big. Lucky.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Sweetheart, can you push? Hello.
for 10, for 20, 50, 100 minutes.
Okay. Ayan, papasok tayo sa Skechers, guys. Magtatanong tayo. Ay, may magtitingin ng sapatos. Ayan. Wow, there's nice shoes here. Look. Look at that. Let's see how much is it. $49.
White only, remember?
Onun bir büyüğünü getir ama sen ya.
Anne büyük al dedi.
Tamam anneciğim. Alacaksan çorapla dene. Çorapla bir dene. Sen onu Feride teyzenin yanına koy. Öyle yapayım abla ya.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat something.
Okay. Do you want biscuit?
Mommy, look at those marbles.
Okay, let's go follow daddy.
They're actually marbles.
Hmm.
And can you buy marbles, please, for me?
Marbles.
Yeah, I want to buy marbles. Did you not notice that there's marbles here?
Hmm.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
Ang gaganda ng sapatos.
I want to eat.
You want to eat?
Yes.
Naka-sale daw, 69. Wow, ang ganda, guys. 79. Nandito na kami malapit, guys. Ayan ang ocean, oh. Wow, very nice ocean. Ang ganda, guys. Wala masyadong tao. Nandun ang tulay.
See?
Look at the bridge. That's the long bridge. Nandito na kami, guys. Pabalik na kami. Pauwi na. Isabel, get down.
Okay. Hit the button, baby.
I want to.
Ayun, nandito na kami. Pauwi na kami, guys. Woo!
I don't have my hat on.
Hello, Daddy.
I think we're friends now. We're friends now.
Yeah, I know. Put it properly. Okay, let's go.
Can we go to the turtle playground today?
I will check tomorrow if we can.
What if we go there tomorrow?
Okay. They said it's gonna be very hot tomorrow. Ayun, so ayun guys, kauwi lang namin. Galing kami sa city, nag-commute kami. Sobrang init sa labas. Si Isabel puro reklamo kasi sobrang init daw. So ayun, yung purpose talaga namin kaya kami lumabas papuntang city kasi bibili kami ng shoes niya, yung white runner shoes. Required kasi sa school niya na plain white talaga yung shoes na isusuot sa school niya. So, ito guys yung binili namin. O, yan. Ayan yung nabili namin. Size 12 yung nabili. Ayan guys yung presyo. Ayan. $80 yung presyo guys. Malutong na $80. So, ayan. Plain white siya guys. Sobrang ganda siya. Ito yung napili ko kasi para hindi siya mahirapan magsara at magbukas ng sapatos niya. Kasi pag sa school, mas prepare ng mga teacher na yung maging independent yung mga bata sa pag-tie ng laces nila, ganyan. So, ganito, mas madali. Ayan. Isasara lang. Tapos, isasara mo na ganun. So, ayan. Ayan yung brand niya, guys. Reebok. Yung presyo niya, $80. Ayan. Ayan yung presyo, guys. $80. Ayan. So, nagpunta kami ng city para lang bumili talaga niyan. Wala kasi kami makita sa Garden City kahapon. Ang tagal din namin sa Garden City, wala kaming nakita. So sabi ng asawa ko, sa city madami. So nagpunta kami doon. Ang dami nga. Madami ding sale doon. Nagpunta kami ng Cotton On. So nagpunta ako ng Cotton On. May nabili akong earrings. Naka-sale din siya. Maganda. May nakita si Isabel na necklace. Alam nyo, $5 lang sa Cotton On. Hindi niya talaga binitawan hanggat hindi binibili. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'm not going out until you buy this one. Come here, baby. Show your necklace. Here it is. Ayan, ang ganda guys to. Ano lang siya, buo siyang
Mommy,
tapos,
can I turn this Barbie into
meron siyang malaking
mermaid,
heart.
please?
What?
Mommy, I want to turn this Barbie into a mermaid.
Oh. Do you want me to buy a new mermaid Barbie for you?
No, I want you to make this Barbie into a mermaid. Barbies? No, it's not a mermaid. It needs a tail.
That's why I said you need to buy a new.
No, you don't need to buy a new one. You need a mermaid suit for a Barbie.
I see, okay. Okay.
Tomorrow that's a mermaid tail.
So, ayun guys. Diba? Ang saya. Sobrang init pero ang ganda. Alam nyo, bibihira lang kami pumunta ng city. So, nag-commute kami, nag-train. Sa North Fremantle kami nag-train. Ang saya. Tuwan-tuwa yung mga bata. Si David naman takbo ng takbo kasi safe naman siya magtakbo-takbo doon. Kasi yung shop niya doon sa city, sunod-sunod talaga siya. Tapos pa-round lang. So, safe yung mga bata magtakbo-takbo. Yun lang sa mga hagdan lang. Kailangan maingat baka mahulog. So, ayun. So, ayun guys. Diba ang ganda ng sapatos? Maganda din yung presyo, siyempre. Mahal. Ayan o. May hikaw din ako. Ang ganda ng hikaw. Meron ako nabili. Hikaw.
No, Mommy. You don't need to make a mermaid tail. You can make one out of one of the salted
Ang ganda. Sa Cotton On namin yung binili guys. Ayan yung presyo niya. Ayan, $15. 3 pairs. 3 pairs siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. Ruby. Hindi yata nakikita. Ruby Real Silver Plating. So, naka-sale siya. Yung original price niya ay $34. Tapos, nag-sale siya ng $15. So, ayun. Ang ganda kasi may mga iba-ibang kulay siya. Ayan. Tapos, ayan pa. Diba? Ang ganda. Green. Ayan. At napumunta kami ng Garden City para bumili ng card. Bumili ako nito guys. Pinakita ko na to kanina. Yan yung parang loto. Hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan yung dalawa. Ito, at saka ito. Buksan natin, guys. Halika kayo, buksan natin kung baka manalo tayo. Ayan. Ikakaskas to eh. Kaskasin natin. Baka manalo tayo. Baka may swerte, diba? Ay, bakit ayaw? Gamit ako ng kutsara. Ayan, kaskasin natin. 32 at saka 33 yung winning your numbers. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong panalo dito. Ayan, meron 30. Ay, wala. Muntik nang manalo. Meron 33, $1. Ito ba meron? Wala, 08. Walang panalo, guys. Ito, meron siyang panalo. Ayan, o. Ayan, 33. Meron kasing 33 dito sa winning numbers. 33. So, $1. $1 yung panalo. Ito, sabi daw bonus words. Word panel. So, tingnan natin. Para siyang, puzzle. Word puzzle. Saan ba dito your letters pala. Ito pala yung letters. Baka meron tayong swerte, diba? Sus.
Mommy, look at my Barbie.
Yeah.
Look at her. Why are you scraping that, Mommy? Does that make letters?
Yeah, but there's no word there.
It's supposed to make what?
Reveal two identical letters to win $3. Use bonus.
I'll borrow this, please. I'll borrow this. I need this.
Wala, guys.
I'm going to my other Barbie.
Wala tayong panalo, guys. Meron akong isa lang yun sa ayun. Ito lang ang isa lang. $1 yung panalo. Balik tayo kasi $1 to, guys. Ito siya. $1 ang bili ko. So ito, meron siya panalong isang number, equivalent to $1. 33. $1. Ayun nakalagay, ayun. Yung 33, $1 yung panalo niya. Yun lang ang panalo natin, guys. Ang saya magpunta ng city, kaya lang nakakapagod kasi sobrang init. Pero masaya, exciting talaga yung mag-ride ka ng train, bus. Kasi sa train, guys, wala masyadong tao, tapos ang bilis ng biyahe. Ganda. Dito kasi sa Perth, sa Australia, parang feeling ko lahat ng tao mayaman. Feeling ko lang kasi halos siguro 98% ng tao dito merong sasakyan. Kaya walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Equal ang tao dito, guys. Walang mahirap, walang mayaman. So, equal lahat. Ganoon yung dito, guys. Ang galing, diba? Ibang-iba sa atin. Mga independent yung tao dito. Kaya gustong-gusto kong magtrabaho na kasi oras yung binabayaran dito, guys.
Have you found the black scissors?
No.
Is there